I want to welcome you to this transformative exploration of the secrets of inner magic, the magic within you, and how to activate it. Our journey together will uncover profound truths and practical wisdom that can change your life. We will divide our discussion into 4 essential lessons, each diving deep into the core aspects of your inner magic. To begin, let's focus on the first lesson: recognizing and understanding the existence of inner magic. Many of us go through life unaware of the powerful energies within us, energies that can shape our reality, influence our experiences, and connect us to a higher purpose. This magic isn't something external or fantastical, it's an inherent part of who we are. You might wonder, what is this inner magic? It's the energy that fuels our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's the force that allows us to manifest our desires, heal ourselves, and connect with others on a profound level. We often hear about people who seem to have a magnetic presence or who can achieve things effortlessly. What sets them apart is their awareness and harnessing of this inner magic. To start recognizing your inner magic, begin by paying attention to your thoughts and emotions. Notice how they affect your energy levels and your interactions with the world around you. Positive thoughts and emotions tend to raise your energy, making you feel lighter, more vibrant, and more in tune with life. Conversely, negative thoughts and emotions can drain your energy, making you feel heavy and disconnected. Consider this. When was the last time you felt truly energized and alive? What were you doing? Who were you with? These moments are not coincidences. They are glimpses of your inner magic at work. By becoming more aware of these experiences, you can begin to understand the patterns and triggers that activate your magic. One practical way to start harnessing your inner magic is through mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you quiet the mind, reduce stress, and connect with your inner self. They allow you to tap into the energy within you and direct it with intention. Start with just a few minutes each day, focusing on your breath and observing your thoughts without judgment. Over time, you will notice a shift in your awareness and energy. Another important aspect is self-belief. Your inner magic thrives on your belief in yourself and your abilities. Doubt and fear can block your magic, preventing you from reaching your full potential. Challenge your limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Affirmations can be a powerful tool in this process. Repeat positive statements about yourself and your capabilities, and watch how your energy and confidence grow. As you begin to recognize and understand your inner magic, you may also notice synchronicities and coincidences happening more frequently. These are signs that you are in alignment with your true self and the universe. Pay attention to these signs and trust that they are guiding you towards your highest good. Awakening the inner alchemist, transforming energy into magic. Now that we have laid the foundation by recognizing and understanding our inner magic, let's move on to the next essential lesson: awakening the inner alchemist within you. This part is about transforming your energy into tangible magic, enabling you to create, manifest, and influence your reality in profound ways. At its core, the process of alchemy involves transformation. Ancient alchemists sought to turn base metals into gold, but in a spiritual sense, we are transforming our base energies into higher states of being. This transformation begins with awareness, but it is actualized through intention and action. Think about energy as the raw material of the universe. Every thought, emotion, and action you take is a form of energy. To become an inner alchemist, you must learn to consciously direct this energy towards your desired outcomes. This requires a deep understanding of intention. Your intentions are the blueprints of your reality. They shape the way your energy manifests in the world. Start by setting clear, conscious intentions. What do you truly desire? Not just on a superficial level, but deep within your soul. Take time to reflect on your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Write them down and be specific. The clearer your intentions, the more potent your magic will be. Remember, vague intentions lead to vague results. Next, align your actions with your intentions. It's not enough to simply wish for something, you must take steps towards it. This is where the magic happens. When your actions are in harmony with your intentions, you create a powerful flow of energy that propels you forward. Consider your daily habits and routines. Are they supporting your goals, or are they hindering them? Make adjustments as needed to ensure every action you take is aligned with your desired outcomes. Visualization is a powerful tool for transforming energy into magic. By vividly imagining your desired outcome, you activate the creative power of your mind. Close your eyes and picture yourself achieving your goals. Feel the emotions associated with your success. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the stronger the energy you generate. This practice not only boosts your motivation, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your intentions, making it easier to manifest your desires. Another key aspect of awakening your inner alchemist is managing your emotional energy. Emotions are incredibly powerful forms of energy that can significantly impact your reality. Positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude elevate your energy and attract positive experiences. Negative emotions like fear, anger, and resentment can block your magic and create obstacles. Develop emotional resilience by practicing gratitude, forgiveness, and compassion. These practices help to transmute negative energy into positive energy, enhancing your ability to manifest your desires. Consider how you respond to challenges and setbacks. Do you allow them to drain your energy, or do you see them as opportunities for growth? Shifting your perspective can transform difficult situations into powerful catalysts for change. Remember, every challenge carries the seed of an opportunity. By maintaining a positive outlook and focusing on solutions, you can turn obstacles into stepping stones towards your goals. Your environment also plays a crucial role in your ability to transform energy into magic. Surround yourself with people who support and uplift you. Create spaces that inspire and energize you. Declutter your living and working areas to remove stagnant energy. The more harmonious your environment, the easier it is to maintain a high vibration and direct your energy towards positive outcomes. In conclusion, awakening the inner alchemist within you involves transforming your energy into magic through clear intentions, aligned actions, powerful visualizations, emotional management, and a supportive environment. By mastering these principles, you can harness the full potential of your inner magic and create a life that aligns with your highest aspirations. The dance of balance, harmonizing inner and outer energies. As we progress deeper into our exploration of inner magic, the next critical lesson is the dance of balance, harmonizing your inner and outer energies. This balance is essential for sustaining your magic and ensuring that it flows smoothly and effectively in all areas of your life. Imagine your inner magic as a symphony. For it to be harmonious and powerful, all instruments must be in tune and play their parts correctly. In this context, the instruments are your thoughts, emotions, actions, and external environment. When they are in balance, your energy resonates at its highest frequency, allowing you to manifest your desires with greater ease. Balance begins with self-awareness. Pay close attention to how you feel on a daily basis. Are you frequently stressed or overwhelmed? Do you feel disconnected from your goals and passions? These feelings are indicators that your inner and outer energies are out of sync. To restore balance, Start by identifying the sources of discord in your life. It could be a demanding job, toxic relationships, or even negative self-talk. Once you have identified the imbalances, take deliberate steps to address them. This might mean setting boundaries at work, surrounding yourself with supportive people, or practicing positive affirmations to shift your mindset. Remember, balance is not about eliminating all challenges from your life, but about managing them in a way that maintains your inner harmony. Consider the concept of energy cycles. Just as nature has cycles of day and night, our bodies and minds also have natural rhythms. Honor these cycles by recognizing when you need rest and when you are most productive. Overworking yourself can lead to burnout, while too much rest can result in stagnation. Find a rhythm that allows you to be both productive and rejuvenated. Incorporate regular self-care practices into your routine. This can be as simple as taking breaks during work, engaging in hobbies that bring you joy, or spending time in nature. These activities help to replenish your energy and keep your inner magic vibrant. Think of self-care as maintenance for your inner symphony, ensuring each instrument remains in tune. Meditation and mindfulness are also powerful tools for maintaining balance. These practices help you to stay present and connected to your inner self. By taking a few moments each day to quiet your mind and tune into your body, you can better manage stress and maintain a sense of calm. This inner peace is crucial for keeping your energy balanced and your magic flowing. Your physical health is another important aspect of balance. The state of your body directly affects your energy levels and your ability to manifest your desires. Pay attention to your diet, exercise regularly, and ensure you get enough sleep. A healthy body provides a strong foundation for your inner magic to thrive. The energy you surround yourself with also impacts your balance. This includes the people you interact with, the environments you spend time in, and the media you consume. Choose to be around people who inspire and uplift you. Create spaces that are clean, organized, and filled with things that bring you joy. Be mindful of the information you take in and seek out positive, empowering content. Balancing your inner and outer energies also involves aligning your actions with your values and beliefs. When you live in accordance with your true self, your energy flows more freely and your magic becomes more potent. Reflect on your core values and ensure that your daily actions and decisions are in alignment with them. This alignment creates a sense of authenticity and integrity, which enhances your inner magic. In summary, the dance of balance is about harmonizing your inner and outer energies to create a powerful, resonant flow of magic in your life. By becoming self-aware, honoring your natural rhythms, practicing self-care, maintaining physical health, surrounding yourself with positive energy, and aligning your actions with your values, you can achieve a state of balance that sustains your inner magic and enables you to manifest your highest aspirations, the eternal flame, sustaining and expanding your inner magic. As we arrive at the final lesson in our exploration of inner magic, we focus on sustaining and expanding your inner magic, the eternal flame within you. This lesson is about ensuring that your inner magic not only endures, but also grows more powerful over time, continuously lighting the path of your journey. Sustaining your inner magic requires a deep commitment to self-awareness and self-care. It's about nurturing the flame within you so that it remains strong and vibrant. Regular reflection is crucial in this process. Take time to review your thoughts, actions, and experiences. Reflect on what has worked well and what has not. This practice helps you to stay connected with your inner self and make necessary adjustments to keep your energy aligned. Growth comes from learning and evolving. Be open to new experiences and knowledge. Embrace the challenges that life presents as opportunities for growth. Each obstacle you encounter is a lesson that can enhance your wisdom and strength. By adopting a mindset of continuous learning, you keep your inner magic dynamic and expansive. One of the most powerful ways to sustain and expand your inner magic is through gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive energy flow. This positive energy amplifies your inner magic, making it more potent. Start a daily gratitude practice by writing down things you're thankful for. This simple practice can transform your perspective and elevate your energy. Forgiveness is another essential element. Holding on to grudges and resentment drains your energy and dims your inner light. Practice forgiveness, both towards others and yourself. Let go of past hurts and mistakes. This act of release frees up your energy and allows your inner magic to shine brighter. Remember, forgiveness is not about condoning wrong actions, but about freeing yourself from the negative energy they generate. Connection with others also plays a vital role in sustaining and expanding your inner magic. We are all interconnected, and our energies influence one another. Surround yourself with people who inspire, support, and uplift you. Engage in meaningful relationships that nourish your soul. By sharing your inner magic with others, you create a flow of positive energy that benefits everyone involved. Service to others is a powerful way to expand your inner magic. When you help others, you tap into a higher level of consciousness and purpose. Acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity not only uplift others, but also elevate your own energy. Consider how you can use your unique gifts and abilities to make a positive impact on the world. This sense of purpose fuels your inner magic and keeps it growing. Maintaining a connection with nature is another way to sustain and expand your inner magic. Nature is a source of immense energy and wisdom. Spend time outdoors, observe the natural rhythms and cycles, and allow yourself to be rejuvenated by the beauty and tranquility of the natural world. Nature's energy can help to cleanse and recharge your own, keeping your inner magic vibrant. As you continue to sustain and expand your inner magic, remember the importance of patience and trust. Trust in the process of life and the unfolding of your journey. Patience allows you to stay calm and centered, even when things do not go as planned. Trust that everything happens for a reason and that each step you take is leading you towards your highest good. This mindset helps to maintain a steady flow of positive energy in your life. In conclusion, sustaining and expanding your inner magic, the eternal flame within you, requires ongoing self-awareness, gratitude, forgiveness, meaningful connections, service to others, connection with nature, and a mindset of patience and trust. By committing to these practices, you ensure that your inner magic remains strong and continues to grow, illuminating your path and the paths of those around you. Now, as we conclude this transformative exploration, ask yourself, how will you nurture and expand the eternal flame within you? The answers you find will guide you on your journey, empowering you to live a life filled with the magic and wonder that lies within.